this epic far north Queensland red dirt road trip finds Kenny, Cherie, and their trusty canine companions, Ruby, Rose, and Braveheart, heading out bush on a 6-hour drive to Western Creek Station, on the hunt for the elusive alluvial gold renowned in this region of Australia. Western Creek Station is a neighboring property to Flatbed Creek Station, where we have camped off-grid on a previous gold-detecting adventure, where we had some great gold-detecting signals and plan to return to one day for another camp and prospecting adventure. Western Creek Station has been the setting for a number of Aussie YouTubers on the hunt for the elusive gold. It is a private property and working cattle station near Forsyth, so hope you are not scared of cows. Located in the Australian state of Queensland, known as a popular spot for gold prospecting and off-grid camping. The area's gold history dates to the late 1800s, when the Etheridge goldfields opened up and prospectors discovered gold, a practice that continues today with metal detectors and gold panning in the creeks. Gold-bearing picturesque creeks on the property, like the namesake Western Creek, are popular spots for prospectors to search for gold using metal detectors and panning. Prospectors often find gold, primarily in leaf gold, and the occasional nugget, though it can require significant effort to find. It is extremely hot in the summer months, so we suggest a winter or autumn trip in that far northwest region of the outback.
We just turned off. We're on their home stretch now to Western Creek Station campgrounds and Fossicking grounds. It's $20 a night and $15 a day per person to Fossick. So, hey.
The locality of Western Creek takes its name from the parish, which was named after the pastoral run established by James Laidley in the 1840s. The significant property in its time, originally carrying a large number of sheep, cattle, and horses. Its history reflects the broader pattern of land ownership and development of pastoral properties in Queensland during the colonial era. The Iwamian and the Tagalaka people are the traditional owners of a significant portion of the Etheridge Shire, west of the Great Dividing Range, whom we pay our respects to elders past, present, and emerging.
But you know I ain't done. Don't act like it's so easy. Don't tell me it's so hard. Don't tell me all your secrets, but don't just be showing off. I'm gonna tell the truth. It ain't been bad or good. Two girls and double used to. And I know we look perfect, looking from the outside. 'Cause my lady is lovely, but she ain't loving me right. It'll always be something in between her and
The Etheridge Goldfield is characterized by a diverse geological history, including areas of volcanic activity. The region features numerous volcanic landforms that, while not directly gold-bearing, provide the geological context and drainage patterns that concentrate alluvial gold. The Etheridge region is a well-known area for both placer alluvial and hard rock gold, having produced millions of ounces of gold over time. Alluvial deposits are found in rivers, streams, and other waterways where gold has been concentrated by natural processes.
all your secrets, but don't just be showing off. I'm gonna tell the truth. It ain't been bad or good. Two girls and double used to.
Western Creek itself is a known area where fossicking, the recreational search for gold, is permitted. You can purchase a Queensland fossicking license from the state government online website.
So we got to our campsite around 2:30. It's a massive camp area. It's huge. So you can go all down that way. There's another field over the back of this field. Just put the pop-up camper up. And Kenny brought his little gazebo. And there's a river down there. We didn't realise we're so close to the river. So hopefully, crocodiles will come up and get us in the night. It's a nice little spot. The dogs have each got a tree. But they're hanging themselves up. What are you doing? Yeah, Mummy, untangle you. Oh. Kitchenette. That's how you turn the water on. What do you want for dinner? Steak? I'm starving.
So stick around and tomorrow we will take you out exploring with us around the 18,500 acres property on our rock hounding, hunt for gold and precious gems.
Don't tell me it's so hard. Don't tell me all your secrets, but don't just be sure.